Hey everybody, Kevin Ranta here at Energy Suspension's R&D facility in San Clemente, California, where we have a Lexus IS300 with a 2001 to 2005 fitment up on the lift. Come check it out.
The right side of the vehicle up here last evening. The left side of the vehicle over here I'm going to do right now. Bushing and bracket right there. We're going to replace it with one that's similar to this, or identical to this actually right here. There's one on this side right now already installed. That item right there. Loaned to us for development of a set for this vehicle, which may include control arm bushings, front and rear, and sway bar bushings front and rear, as well as rack and pinion bushings front and rear, or excuse me, front arm. No rear wheel steer on this one. So that's the OEM bracket right there. Put the bushing off the bar. That's the OEM bushing right there. As you can see, this bar is loose now because the left front suspension is unfastened. So these sway bar bushings that we sell, most of them are greasable. So they have a zip fitting cap on them. Just if I can get it up, snap a grease gun on there and lube that joint, and it'll keep it from squeaking and carrying on.
Very nice.